Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unplug the console and wait 10 minutes before opening to avoid electrical shock. Place the Xbox on a clean, static-free surface and wear an ESD strap. Gather tools now: a Torx T8 screwdriver, plastic spudger, tweezers, and a small Phillips head. Keep a small container ready for screws and parts. Make a note of where each screw came from as you work. Handle the fan and heat sink gently without bending fins or dislodging thermal pads. Check the power supply LED first and measure the wall outlet voltage at 120 volts if needed. Try a different power cable and a separate outlet to rule out mains issues. Listen closely for fan spin and feel for air movement from vents. Test HDMI output using a secondary TV and a known good HDMI cable. Boot into the low-level menu by holding the sync and eject buttons while pressing the power button. For a noisy fan, remove the top cover and replace it using a matched 92 mm fan assembly. Clean dust from vents and heatsink with short bursts of compressed air. If the system overheats, reapply thermal paste to the CPU with a thin, even layer. Reseat the NVMe drive gently and reinstall system software from a USB drive with at least 7 GB free. For no video, inspect the HDMI port and replace the port assembly if pins are damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.